Adding to the anticipation, government has filed its draft share sale prospectus with the capital markets regulator SEBI, paving the way for India's largest initial public offering, or what we call the IPO. Now, according to the draft prospectus, the government will sell over 31 crore equity shares of LIC. Remember, the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had announced public issue of LIC in the budget announcement. The 65-year-old LIC has a total equity base of 6.32 billion shares. My colleague Hina Gambhir, in fact, joins me on the broadcast. Hina, the biggest initial public offering, what does it mean? Just break it down for our viewers.
This is an IPO, initial public offering, that the country was really looking forward to. It is a very, very big IPO for the government as well. And we're talking about the largest insurance company in the country, Life Insurance Corporation of India. Now, the government has filed the draft red herring prospectus with the regulators, SEBI in this particular case, and the government has made it clear that it is ready to sell 5% stake in LIC, and about 31.6 crore shares is what the government is going to be selling via this particular IPO. Now, why this is very important for government? Remember, the government's disinvestment target, in fact, for this year is about 78,000 crore rupees. It was reduced from a target of about 1.75 lakh crore rupees that was given in the budget last time. Now, so far, the government has managed to get only 12,000 crore rupees as disinvestment proceeds. Now, so the government is banking heavily on LIC IPO to at least come closer to its disinvestment target for the current year. And that's the reason why already the draft red herring prospectus has been filed with SEBI. And now, most likely, the listing is expected to happen in the month of March. Now, this simply means that the people of this country will also be able to become shareholders of the largest insurance company in the country, LIC. For retail investors like you and me, like our viewers, Griha, there are going to be about 11.1 crore shares which are going to be there. So once, SEBI looks at the draft red herring prospectus, and then once it is open for, people to subscribe to shares, that's when people like you, me, our viewers will be able to also, bid for the shares of LIC. So that is, in simple terms, what it means for all of us. LIC is a name which, is known to everybody across the country, because we all have seen since our childhood LIC policies. So it's a it's like a household name today in the country. And for the first time, it's an opportunity to actually be a shareholder in the largest public sector insurance company. So that is what it really means. And in the budget speech also, Finance Minister had said that LIC IPO will be completed by the end of this financial year. So before March 31st this year, this will be completed, and once it is listed, Griha, LIC is expected to become one of the most valued companies in India.
Right, Hina, thank you so much for breaking it down for us. So LIC IPO to turn the insurer into India's largest listed financial firm. That is a massive development that we're talking about over here.